Hi everyone, we're making New Mexico Chile Rellenos today. I'm here with my granddaughter Larissa. I know it's been a lot of years, I think 5. And we're going to go through the process. So we'll just start right away. First of all, you have to beat egg whites separately from the yolks. Then you mix those two together. Go ahead. So you put those really good together. For dipping. I'm going to let her do that and I'm going to show you the rest. So this is a meat mixture. We have shredded beef, green chili, cheese, spices. This is the flour mixture. We make them into balls. And then from here we'll dip these in the flour and then the egg and then to frying. Okay, so you want to bring that over here, Larissa, the egg. Okay, so from here we're going to dip this. We get these pre-rolled balls. You dip them in the flour. And in the egg. This egg is like really foamy. That's what makes it really fluffy. So you want to take that to the pan, Larissa?
These?
Yeah. Put them in. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. You can drop them with your hand in.
Mommy, I'm scared.
Okay. So this is what you do. Then you just make a bunch of these and you put them in. Make sure your oil's hot. So I've gone online and I've looked and I haven't seen nobody make this style of relleno. We always find the long stuffed green chili rellenos, but never this style. I don't even know if I'm calling them right, but that's what I've known them by my whole life. So figured we'd make a video so you guys could try them out. Hold that. And then you flip them. So then you make them as golden brown as you like. Yeah, I think we could have let this get a little bit hotter, but it's still working. Is it making you sneeze? Sorry. Yeah, it gets smoky in here. Let me put this fan on. Okay. Huh? Yeah, we bring a... Oh, I got a plate here, yeah. So that's missed that, but we got about 15 dozen to go. We just want to do these real quick so you could see. And we'll cut one open. So that's how they look. Usually we let them drain on paper towels, so it has chili, cheese, meat, and outside breading. So they're really good. Hopefully we'll be back with more videos. It's been a long time.
Bye.
Bye.